Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by locating the app you removed from the home screen. On iPhone, go to the app library. On Android, open the app drawer or use the system search. Once you find the icon, long press it to reveal quick actions. This is faster than navigating to settings. If search fails, open settings and go to storage or apps to list installed packages. Doing this verifies the app is still installed, which matters because a missing icon doesn't mean it was uninstalled. Now pick the uninstall path that suits you. If you long press the icon, tap Delete App on iPhone or Uninstall on Android. This is direct and quick. Alternatively, use settings right arrow apps or storage, select the app entry, then choose Delete or Uninstall to see usage and storage details first, useful if you need to clear data. You can also open the apps page in the Play Store or App Store and hit Uninstall or Delete there. That confirms dependency. Finish by confirming the deletion when the system asks. You should see freed storage space immediately. If the icon still shows, restart your device to refresh the launcher or home screen. If the app never appeared in lists, check for disabled or hidden apps, enterprise profiles, or device admin permissions that block uninstalling. As a last resort, reinstall the app from the store, then uninstall it properly. This often fixes corrupted package metadata and lets you remove the app cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.